Seasonal gardening tasks can vary depending on your specific climate and location. However, here are some general guidelines for each season. Spring. Prepare the soil, clean up garden beds, remove debris, and amend the soil with compost or organic matter to enrich it. Planting. Start sowing seeds indoors for summer crops and transplant them outside when the weather warms up. Plant cool season crops like lettuce, peas, and spinach directly in the garden. Pruning. Trim back any damaged or dead branches from trees and shrubs. Prune summer flowering shrubs after they finish blooming. Weeding. Stay on top of weed control as they can quickly take over in the spring. Mulching. Apply a layer of mulch around plants to conserve moisture and suppress weeds. Fertilizing. Apply a balanced fertilizer to encourage healthy growth. Pest control. Monitor for pests and take appropriate action if you notice any problems. Summer. Watering. Provide sufficient water, especially during hot spells. Harvesting. Pick ripe fruits and vegetables regularly to encourage further production. Deadheading. Remove faded flowers to encourage continuous blooming for some plants. Pruning. Trim back any overgrown or unruly plants. Weeding. Continue to keep the garden free of weeds. Pest control. Keep an eye out for pests and take action as needed. Shade protection. Protect sensitive plants from excessive heat or use shade cloth. Fall. Harvesting. Finish harvesting remaining crops before the first frost. Planting. Sow cool season crops for fall and winter harvest. Clean up. Remove dead plant material and fallen leaves to reduce disease and pests. Mulching. Apply a layer of mulch to protect plants during the winter. Pruning. Cut back perennials and trim back trees and shrubs as they go dormant. Fertilizing. Apply a slow-release fertilizer to prepare plants for winter. Bulb planting. Plant spring flowering bulbs like tulips and daffodils. Winter. Protecting plants. Use protective coverings like burlap or cloths to shield sensitive plants from frost and freezing temperatures. Garden tools. Clean and store garden tools properly. Plan and research. Take this time to plan and research for the upcoming gardening season. Composting. Continue to add kitchen scraps and yard waste to the compost pile. Bird feeding. Provide bird feeders to attract and support local bird populations. Indoor gardening. Consider starting an indoor garden or caring for houseplants during the winter months. Remember, these are general guidelines, and the specific tasks may vary based on your gardening zone and local climate. Always observe and adjust your gardening practices accordingly. Happy gardening!